In this video, let's look at how to change the wallpaper of your WhatsApp chats. Something like this, from this to this. If you are new here, I want you to smash the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be notified instantly. You can also like this video to show me some love. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you are following. So first of all, you are going to launch your WhatsApp. So you open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, if you are using Android, you click on these three dots. So you see the three dots on top here. Yes. And then when you click on it, you click on settings. If you're also using iPhone, you just search for settings and then you click on settings. Yeah, so when you click on settings, you are going to search for chats. So you search for chats and then you click on chats. So I've clicked on chats. The next thing you are going to do is to click on wallpaper. So you can see wallpaper here. So you click on wallpaper. When you click on the wallpaper, you'll see the default wallpaper. Yes, normally this is the normal default wallpaper. So we are going to change it. So you click on change. We have change here. You click on change. When you click on change, it will send you here. So we have you can use this, you can use this, you can use this. If you don't also want, you can go to your gallery. So you can go to your gallery. So you see my photos. You can put your picture, you can put your girlfriend picture, you can put any picture at all. So I'm going to search for a picture. I'm going to search for a picture and then I put the picture there. So I'll select this picture. So you see how it is. So from here you can drag it to adjust how you want it to be, how you want your picture to be. So after you are done, then you click on set wallpaper. So when you click on set wallpaper, it will be set. So you have changed the wallpaper of your chat. So when you go back and then maybe you are chatting with somebody, you will see the wallpaper. So you can see the wallpaper with my picture. So if you are chatting with somebody, you see the wallpaper. You can put the picture of your girlfriend, anything at all, you can put it there. Yeah, so if you are meeting me for the first time, all what I want you to do is to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then leave a comment if you have got value from this video. Thank you so much for watching.